Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am gonna curl my new hair extensions with a Hot Tools curling iron. So I just got my hair extensions, so my hair is finally long enough for me to be able to use this. I've had this for a while, I just never been able to use it because it's such a big barrel and my hair was never long enough for me to get good curls with it. So I figured I'd try it out today and see what we can do with our longer hair. I will list the product details down below about this curling iron. So even if this curling iron doesn't give me curls, I think it's gonna give that blowout look, which is super trendy right now. So let's see what it can do. Bear with me, I'm still learning how to style my new hair extensions, so it might not be the prettiest video. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe down below to my channel if you want to see more beauty videos by me. So if you want to see me curl my hair with this big curling iron, then just keep watching. This is the gold one, the Hot Tools. This is pretty big. I want to say it's either 1 1/4 or maybe 1 1/2. I'm not sure. It's pretty big. It has a nice swivel cord. It has a little rest for your iron, on and off switch, and then it has a dial for your temperature. So when I first got my hair extensions placed, my hairstylist actually used a pretty big iron and just like curled it, and it looked like really cute. It was like a wispy blowout look. And I'm hoping maybe that's what this will do. We will see. I already put a lot of leave-in products that have thermal heat protection for my hair, so we're prepped and ready to go. I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna heat it up to about 350. I think generally that's pretty good. I washed my hair today and I just blow dry it. So I'm gonna section it up. I'm gonna go probably weft by weft. I have 3 wefts in, so about 3 sections. So I'm just gonna start with back, about like 1-inch sections. All right, I'm just gonna run through it first to smooth it out. Kept a little bit of lift on the clamp so it didn't like really tug. Okay, now I'm gonna just try my best here. Honestly, I'm really not that great at curling hair. I love a wand because it's really easy, but we'll see what we can do here. I'm also going to leave the ends out a little bit just because I like straighter ends. Oh. Maybe not. We'll see. Sorry, my mirror. Okay, curl 1. So nice and loose. I prefer loose curls. My only thing is I don't know how long these curls are gonna last. Also, don't mind my hair right now. I feel like I need to have her switch out one of these lighter hair extension pieces to a darker one, just so my natural hair blends a little better. But in the meantime, we're just going to deal with it. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing. Again, glide it through. Get it nice and smooth, about a 1-inch section. Doesn't feel that hot for the setting it's at, so we'll see. This hair extension hair is definitely a different texture than my natural hair. It's a little more coarse. Oh gosh, hopefully I didn't dent that end. All right. I don't know how this is going. How's this going? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. All right. Try a different method for this piece. Okay, so those are really pretty. I'm just gonna do the same thing all over my head, and then I'll come back to like the front pieces and talk through that part. Okay guys, sorry I didn't slow down that front piece section. So now I'm just gonna gather all my front layer. Sorry, that's my dog. And that's too much, it's too thick. So I guess I'll just have to, let me see. I just need, this is too much. So I'm going to do this separate. The other side I ended up working out nicely, but this side looks like I have too much left over. So I'm just going to gently curl this. I don't know. This iron is really hard to use if you're a novice like me. Alright, so you got your face framing piece. And I just went up. Oops. Not like that. Up. Twist. Till the end is to the length you like. Hold for a few seconds. And then down. This is my natural hair, so I feel like I don't want to hold it as long. And look at that big, beautiful curl. Not my favorite iron. I definitely prefer my Baby Bliss iron a little bit better because this clamp wasn't very forgiving when you slide through. You had to put your finger, some pressure on it and lift it up. To lift it up as you glide through, my Baby Bliss clamp is so nice that I can just glide through without worrying to do that. This is pretty big, so I was getting stuck in my hair and it's kind of hard to work with. It's not the easiest iron. I do feel like it added some shine. I'm gonna let these cool before I kind of brush it out for the final look. It did kind of leave some creases, but also that could be user error because I'm not very good at it. I do love how it did these front big pieces, and I feel like when I brush them out, it's going to be very pretty. Doesn't feel very hot for it being at 350. I like the look that it's giving. I don't know how well it will hold, but overall, I think it looks really pretty. Okay, yes, I definitely prefer my Baby Bliss, but my Baby Bliss is a smaller barrel, but I really do love, sorry about my mirror. I really do love the look of this. It's very loose, very soft. Now that they're cooled, I'm gonna brush through and just see what happens. So it's kind of like a loose blowout. That's really pretty. See, these are nice and cool too. Okay, the bang got a little crazy, but it's okay. The bangs usually die for me after a few days. It's the first curl to kind of like die down on me. Definitely gonna have to put some leave-in product. Getting some static. All right, what do we think? It is pretty, but honestly, I do really like it. I definitely think it's gonna fall. I definitely like it around my face. I feel like I got lots of volume there. A little bit of static. Wasn't the easiest curling iron to use. I think I can get better results with like a wand. That was kind of hard to do. I will do another tutorial using my bigger wand. I have a video on my Numi wand, but I show you the medium barrel. I will do an upcoming video using the large barrel on now my longer hair. So this is the look we got. So let me show you the back. So this is the back. I don't know what it looks like. Hopefully it looks okay. We'll see. So that was the back. So all in all, I actually love the look of this. I feel like it does kind of look like a blowout, and as it relaxes, I just love the look of loose waves. I definitely don't think it's gonna last more than a day, but like the bigger curling irons, I think take practice, and I think for a first-time user or someone who's novice, you might have a hard time. That barrel isn't the most forgiving with sliding through hair. You can definitely crimp, put some dents in your hair, and maybe fry the ends. I think I did that maybe once or twice already. So it still gave a good finishing look. If you guys have any favorite hot tools or curling irons or wands that you love, let me know down below in the comments. I would love to hear that. So thank you guys for sticking around, watching me struggle curling my hair, but I like how it turned out. So if you have any comments, let me know down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit subscribe if you want to see beauty videos by me. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.